Let's begin by preparing the coffee with a mocha. Fill the boiler with water almost up to the safety release valve that is situated in the middle of it. Then insert the filter into the boiler and fill it with ground coffee. Close firmly the mocha and put it on fire. When you hear a sound like a whistle, it means that the coffee is boiling and you have to put the mocha away from the fire. Divide yolks and white eggs. We are ready to beat the white eggs. Add a pinch of salt. It helps to beat faster and softer. When you can see that the eggs don't stick to the bowl, it means that it's ready. In another bowl, beat the cream as well. Prepare 2 pots. One on low fire. This one fill with water. Add the yolks and sugar in the pot on the top and with a whisk mix the 2 ingredients. Until you have a pale yellow mixture. Now it's time to combine all the previous preparations. Add the mixture with eggs and sugar. Then add the mascarpone cheese and incorporate it well. Then add the cream. Important to incorporate every single ingredient. And at the end, the white eggs. Blend slowly up-down. The white eggs give to the tiramisu fluffiness, so it's very soft when you eat it. Now prepare the casserole. Add sugar to the coffee. Soak the ladyfingers in the espresso and cover the pirofila or casserola. Also on the border. Then cover with the mixture. If you want, you can do a double layer of biscuits, as you can see in the picture at the beginning of our recipe. Put the casserola in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours and serve it with a sprinkle of cacao all over. And now taste it!